Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a refund on Cash App after a Google Play purchase. So basically, I will show you steps here. So to understand, here's a step-by-step guide on how to get a refund on Cash App after a Google Play purchase. So the key thing to understand, Cash App itself doesn't control Google Play purchases. So you'll need to go through the right path depending on what happened. Step one, request refund from Google Play. That is the primary method. So most successful refunds come directly from Google Play Store. Step one, you have to go to play.google.com/store/account. And then here you have to click orders. Next step is you have to find the purchase you want refunded. You can see it here. Once you have found it, the next thing to do is you have to go and look for report a problem. Now select a reason. It could be accidental purchase or didn't receive the item. Then once you have selected the reason, then you have to submit the request. Important thing, do this within 48 hours for best chances. Refunds usually return to your original payment method, which is to your Cash App card. Step 2, check refund status. So open your email, link to Google Play. Here you can see a confirmation from Google. So it looks like this. Or if not yet, then you have to wait for 1 to 5 business days. Step 3, you need to contact the app developer if needed. So if Google denies your request, this refund on Cash App after you purchase on Google Play, then what you're going to do is you have to simply go to the app page in Google Play, scroll to developer contact, and then explain them or email them explaining your issue. Some developers process refunds manually, so you have to tell them that you need to get a refund on Cash App after your purchase. So probably the developer will help you on how to get your refund. Step 4, request refund via Cash App, which is backup option. So if you were charged through your Cash App card, you need to open your Cash App. And then here you have to tap the activity tab or section. You have to go to activity tab and then find the Google Pay transaction. Now, once you found it, tap it, then select, look for more options, and then tap need help and Cash App support. Now, here in the need help and Cash App support, what you're going to do is you have to look for the dispute this transaction. You have to look for that. Use this only if you didn't authorize the purchase or Google refused the refund unfairly. Now, step 5, you have to wait for investigation. So, Cash App may take up to 10 business days. So, this or they might be issue a temporary refund while investigating. It depends, so you have to wait for that. Now, important tips, don't file multiple disputes at once. Can delay or reject your claim, so you have to wait for that. Step by step. Refunds for in app purchases are harder after 48 hours, so you have to make sure that you need to do these steps within 48 hours or do this within 48 hours for best chances. Now, if in case that you still encounter any issue, the last step is request a chargeback through your cash application card, which is bank level dispute. If your cash app card was used on Google Play Store, you can escalate the issue beyond normal support by filing a card network chargeback. When to use this, the purchase was unauthorized, you were charged multiple times, you didn't receive what you paid for, both a Google Play and the developer denied your refund. So step by step, you need to open your Cash App, go and click the Activity tab, select the Google Play transaction, tap More Options, choose to Dispute this transaction. So select a reason like an authorized transaction or item not received, and then submit with details. What happens next? Cash App sends a dispute through Visa or MasterCard network. They may give you a provisional temporary refund. Investigation can take 10 to 45 days. So, important warnings: if you do a chargeback, Google may suspend or restrict your Google account, remove access to purchase content, only use this as a last resort. So, for a quick summary, first, request refund from Google Play, which is, of course, highly suggested. Second is you need to contact developer if needed, if you can't open your Cash App. And the very last thing is that you need to dispute through Cash application, which I have mentioned earlier. So if you cannot request refund via Cash App, you need to contact the developer contact, or you need to go to customer service support. So basically, these are the ways on how to get a refund on Cash App after a Google Play purchase. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.